Good evening, and today we have the sixth experiment, which is activity diagram. Okay, the sixth experiment in case 2, which is activity diagram. So basically, we're going to talk about the activity diagram. The activity diagram is also used to document workflow in a system, as you can see. Okay, from the business level to the operational level, it's basically a flow chart to represent the flow of one activity to another activity. Okay, and then it has components such as the action states. Okay, and the action is an individual step within an activity. You can see the symbol for the action state. It has the transition states. Okay, when an activity state is completed, processing moves to another activity state. Okay, and the transitions are used to mark the movement of this from that one state to another, and is represented by an arrow. Okay, a shaded arrow. And then we have swim lane, which divides activities according to objects. Okay, or according to classes. Then our initial state is represented by a shaded solid circle, and our final state is represented by a solid circle inside another circle. And we have a synchronization bar. Okay, this can either be used to split processing or to resume processing when multiple activities have completed. So it has either fork or join. Okay, so as the name says, synchronization bar is used for multiple processes. Okay, so processes can come together at a synchronization bar, or they can separate from a synchronization bar. Okay, so that's basically it. So we have to draw an activity diagram for our ongoing scenario, our ongoing experiment, which is employee management system. And I have the activity diagram here. Okay, now the first activity diagram is without swim lane. Okay, so you can see basically what I've explained, those components that I've explained previously in this activity diagram. Okay, that now we have our initial state. So after the initial state, next thing we have is register employee, and then login. Okay, and then if the login is valid, it goes to select operation. If not, it goes to invalid, which goes back to register employee. So if an employee is not in the system, he can't log in. Okay, and next is select operation, and now we use the synchronization bar, which enables us operations to be done parallelly. Okay, you can either edit employee account. Okay, if you select edit employee account, it enables you to either view profile or delete profile. Okay, and now if you from view profile you can log out. If you delete profile, it leads to updating profile. Okay, so this is an example of join, why this is an example of fork, that separate processes, why this is an example of join. Okay, then you can also select apply for leave, which goes to a decision statement. Okay, if the leave is rejected, it goes back to select operation. If not, it approves the leave. Okay, and then you can also select calculate salary, which comes down to pay salary, and which everything comes down to updation of the profile. From there, log out. From there, the final state. Okay, so this is the activity diagram without swim lane. Now the second activity diagram is with swim lane. Is basically the same thing. Okay, just that they are separated, okay, by these bars into various objects. So every activity that occurs here, activities that occur in the employee, or the activities that the employee performs, the activities that the login class performs, these are activities that the leave class performs, and these are activities that the salary class performs. As you can see, the register, edit, view, delete profile, and update profile are activities that are performed by the employee class. Okay, while the login, select operation, and logout are activities that are performed by the login class. Okay, and then activities that are performed by the leave class, apply for leave, approve leave. Okay, and activities that are performed by the salary class, like calculate salary and pay salary. Okay, so these are basically the previous activity diagram, just that we added swim lanes. Okay, and that's all for the sixth experiment. Thank you. Sorry about that.